Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are draw and coloring alphabets. Subscribe to our channel. First we are mixing and using the color of blue. And kids, first we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. The alphabet of B. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. And the next one is D. The alphabet of D. And the next one is E. Now we are using the color of blue. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabet of G. And the next one is H. H for hand. We are again using the color of blue. H for hand. And the next one is I. I for ice, I for ice cream. And the next one is J. J for jackfruit. The next one is K. K for kite. L for lion, L for lemon. And the next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for orange, O for octopus. And the next one is P. P for parrot. Q for queen. And the next one is R. R for rose. R for rice. Kids, the next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. T. U. And the next one is V. W. W for wolf. X for Xmas tree. Y. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.